Here's a great new arrival just in at RV Depot. It's a 2021 Grand Design Imagine 3100 RD. This model is built for those who seek comfort and adventure, all wrapped up in one well-designed package. As we step inside this beautifully crafted travel trailer, the spacious layout immediately catches your eye. The light-toned interior, combined with natural wood finishes, creates a welcoming and warm atmosphere. The large windows allow plenty of natural light, enhancing the cozy ambiance, perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. Equipped with modern appliances, notice the elegant cabinetry above, providing ample storage for all your travel essentials. This kitchen is designed for both functionality and style. The sleek countertops and deep sink make meal prep a breeze, whether you're cooking for one or the entire family. As we continue through, we come to the bathroom, featuring a spacious shower with a glass door, a well-sized vanity, and ample storage. At the far end, we enter the bedroom. The queen-size bed, surrounded by overhead storage and side wardrobes, ensures you have everything you need for a good night's sleep. The soft lighting and thoughtfully designed layout add to the peaceful atmosphere, from the durable flooring to the refined accents. Take note of the high-quality finishes throughout the travel trailer. Act fast and take this one along on your next getaway. Go to RV Depot today.